Sa wakas, dumating na rin ang Wow Audio MyMove natin. Ang bilis lang. It only took about a day and a half. I ordered this around March 12 ng 11 p.m. Tapos dumating siya mga 2 p.m. ng March 14. So, about a day and a half. Nag-ship sila kagad. Tapos the rest of the time, nasa sorting facility. So, ang bilis. And the retail price of the Wow Audio MyMove is around 12,990 pesos. Pero naka-discount siya ngayon, naka-sale siya. Nasa 11,800, something like that. Tapos, if you have vouchers, if you have coins, mas mababa pa, no? And of course, automatic free shipping for the price of this product. And bagong lahat, we are shooting this video using the ROG Phone 9 FE. Ayan siya. This is a gaming phone na may flagship specs, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We did a video on this earlier, so check it out on our YouTube channel at Tekuya if you want to know more about the phone. But despite being a gaming phone, meron itong napakagandang main camera, 50 megapixel Sony IMX 896 kung hindi ako nagkakamali. At meron itong 6-axis gimbal, so very steady yung video, although ngayon naka-tripod tayo. But anyways, let's go ahead with the unboxing of the Wow Audio MyMove. So ayan, may kita nyo yung features niya or yung itsura niya. Tapos meron siyang trendy color case which is supposed to be swappable. From the demo that I saw in the store, pwede mong iswap. May dalawang klase to na case. But we'll get to that later. Unahin natin yung specifications. 25 watts power output. Bluetooth 5.3, may true wireless stereo function, which means you will be able to pair a maximum of 2 Wow Audio MyMove, so you can get left and right stereo. Okay. Tapos may 3.5mm input, auxiliary input, rechargeable lithium battery for up to 8 hours of use. Ang controls niya include power, volume, treble, bass, and pairing. Kita nyo ba? Sana ay nakaka-capture ng maayos ng ating phone dahil wala nang do-over itong unboxing na to once na natin gagawin. Tapos meron tayong portable speaker with color case. Okay? It does its job. Oh, may extra pang box sa loob. So talagang secure na secure yung pinaka-product. Uy, ano yun? 1, 2, 3. Charan! Wow Audio MyMove. Let's remove the packaging. Yeah. So this thing is about, sabihin natin mga nasa 8 inches yung taas. Wala bang specs dito? Dimensions? Wala yung dimensions dito. Baka nasa manual. About 8 inches high, then about 6 inches across, 2 inches thick, 2.5. Yep. Let's turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
The sound is similar to the voice prompt na narinig natin dun sa Wow Audio Jive, which we reviewed earlier. It's a portable speaker as well, but it supports the TWS function, which we love because you will be able to pair 2 of them and get better sounding audio. Yun nga lang, mas mahal yun at mas mabigat. Ito, parang more portable version na nung speaker na yon. Alright, over here is the master volume, the power button, of course, treble, and the bass control. May separate na control, no? I'm now gonna try to pair it with my phone. Yan.
Bluetooth connected.
Connected kagad. So, yung voice prompt, iba pa yung volume level compared dun sa pinaka-volume level nung mismong speaker.
Let's go. Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
You can feel it vibrating.
Treat me like I need you now. Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me
Lakas.
at the ilaw, but it feels like like heaven when you're here.
Todo na to.
Between ang saksi sa kilig. Yeah, I'm holding you while I'm feel. Oh, don't you want me like I want you, baby?
Patodo rin yung treble at yung bass or treble.
Tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Bass only. Treble.
Hey, alam mo na ang vibe. Turn this cool.
Meron siyang isang 3-inch na subwoofer. Tapos may dalawang full range na tweeters. 8 hours battery runtime, charging time 4 hours, Bluetooth 5.3, TWS function 2, wireless stereo function, 3.5mm auxiliary input. Wala siyang FM radio unlike the WOW Audio Jive. Wala rin siyang LED display, no? Wala siyang lighting. TWS mode can be activated by turning on both MyMove speaker systems. Just press the power button twice on one of the MyMoves. So yun yung magiging master. Since you don't have a display, you don't have a visual indicator of the TWS status, medyo kakapain mo siya. Unfortunately, we only have one of these, so we won't be able to demonstrate the TWS function. Now we're gonna go through the accessories. Ano to? So it's type A to type C cable. Then you have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack. Wala itong mic, so dalawa lang yung linya nung ating jack. And here is a gray colored ano tawag dito? Silicone. Ang tawag nila dito? Color case. Para siyang bumper, no? Or protector. Let me try to swap the color case. So rubberized naman yung kanyang material. Okay, this is nice. The ports on the side are protected by the case, cover case. So nandito yung 3.5mm auxiliary in, as well as the USB-C port for charging. Now let's try to swap. Ayan. So ganyang hubad na katotohanan. Na ano siya, no, nalulusen pala itong yan, yung parang screw sa gilid. Let's remove it. Ayan. I completely took it off. So you don't have to, di mo kailangang ipilit yung kanyang case.
Tambay lang sa ilalim ng buwan, oh. The way you lights up your face, oh. Kamusta?
Medyo challenging pa lang ikabit to kung isi-stretch mo siya over this. Nagawa ko siya sa isang side. However, for this side, I'm just gonna remove it. Tapos na rin yung ating kanta. So, I'm just gonna put this through, tapos saka siya isuscrew. Ayan. You just have to make sure na naka-secure siya dun sa, naka-align siya dun sa guide para secure talaga at tama yung pagkakalagay or pagkakabit nung color case. So, ayan guys, ang ating WOW Audio MyMove. This has been the unboxing and we shot this using the ROG Phone 9 FE. We're gonna go ahead and test this out. And we'll be back in a couple of days for the review. So in the meantime, if you have any questions about this product, just leave them in the comment section Just search for Tech Kuya on YouTube. If you're watching this on a different platform, we have more videos on this product and on other tech gadgets. So check it out, subscribe kayo, and we'll see you guys there. Alam.